Now, as we move into meditation, let's become still. Take a deep breath and blow out your bag of worries. This is your time, and I invite you for a moment, only a moment, for only a breath, to move from your physical body beyond human self, to rise up to the divine body, the divine mind. I invite you for a moment to step into the universe, to rise up and step into God. So let's breathe in and out slowly. Relax your face. Slow, deep breath in and release. Again, just breathe in and release. Your breathing is signaling to your body, be calm, relax, surrender. As you breathe in and out, your body calms and relaxes. You feel yourself gently sinking into an ocean of warmth, cushioned and wrapped by a vastness of light. Relaxing, your body becomes heavier as you focus on your breath. As you breathe in and out, your mind rises and lifts away, rising upward, upward, not outward. You're only aware of your breath, gently. Just focus on your breath and let God rise you up, upward, to be one in the embrace of light and love. Just feel this calmness. This is God. Just see God. Just hear God. Just be God. You stand in God, and God fills you. With each breath, you are breathing in God. Your breath is God's. God's breath raises you to the divine mind. In this moment, your body melts away and there is no separation. You are one with the divine mind, divine energy. All that is left is the light and the energy of God. are a spiritual being, made of the universe, by the universe. You are one with God. This is who you are. This is who you were, and always will be. This is the truth. I am a spiritual being, made of God, by God. Affirm this to yourself. I am a spiritual being, made of God, by God. Feel your divine light. There is no you. There is no separation. Only a formless, loving God remains. The I am. I am a divine being. I am divine energy. I am divine breath. I am. I am. I am. I am the radiant light of God. This is the truth. This is the only thing that ever was or ever will be. That is God, the One. Now, stay here in God as the music surrounds you and raises you further.
When I am down and oh, my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I
So, without losing consciousness and your connection to God, see yourself slowly resolve from the light and come back into your body. Open and energized and ready to hear Marty's lesson. And so it is, friends. Amen.